Age no bar, sex no bar. 4. Dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis of the scalp, most commonly affecting the scalp and hair. Well, there are different reasons why seborrhea or seborrheic dermatitis happen, mainly because it is the greasiness of the scalp or not washing away the natural sebaceous secretion of the scalp, plus in addition to that maybe a mild fungal infection or so. Consult your dermatologist to understand what exactly is causing the white flakes or the itching of the scalp before treating it on your own with the anti-dandruff agents available in the market. Well, if it is dandruff, what works best in my experience is to stop all oil application at least till your doctor, that is me, gets your dandruff cleared. After stopping the oil application, find out a suitable shampoo and conditioner for your hair. If you're happy with the shampoo and conditioner which you're using right now, there is no reason to change it as such. But you will need an additional anti-dandruff shampoo to take care of the dandruff. The frequency of using it, etc., your dermatologist will decide, that is me, will decide after consultation with you. These are some of the commonest anti-dandruff agents available in the market. Make sure that you always dilute your shampoo, anti-dandruff or the regular shampoo, with equal or more amount of water and apply it liberally over the scalp and hair. Wait for around a couple of minutes and then wash it off, followed by a conditioner. We use a conditioner after a shampoo wash so that whatever dryness or damage the shampoo causes can be repaired by the said conditioner, mainly the shaft of the hair. Conditioner should be liberally applied on the shaft of the hair. Wait for around 2 to 3 minutes or so and then wash it off. So once your dandruff is cleared, make sure that you follow a healthy regimen for your scalp and hair, which means you wash it as frequently as it is needed to wash away the sweat and dirt. Let us say you are somebody who works out daily, or you go for morning or evening walks daily and you have a very sweaty scalp. It is recommended to wash it daily. But if you don't have a very sweaty or a greasy scalp, even an alternate day once wash would be more than enough. So consult me to know more about how to do effective hair care.